Hello children, welcome back, and today we are going to do little more complicated sums in rational numbers. We have learnt in our last video children that you should always remember what are the steps involved in doing a addition or subtraction of rational numbers. First is you have to, before a number you should see that there is always one sign. If there are two signs, you will multiply them and make it one sign. That is your first step. Second, you check whether the denominators are equal or not. If they are not equal, you find LCM and then make it into equivalent fractions and then do addition or subtraction as the sign suggests. So, now if you see in our first sum, 3 by 7 plus of minus 5 by 14 plus 1 by 2. So what is our first step children? That there should be a single sign before a number. Now here there are two signs before a number. So first I will make it into one sign, that is plus into minus is minus 5 by 14 plus 1 by 2. Second step, you have to check whether the denominators are equal. They are not equal, so you have to find LCM of 7, 14 and 2. I have found the LCM and the LCM is 14. So I will change all these rational numbers with denominator as 14 and turn them into equivalent fractions. Now 7 2s is 14. That means our numerator also has to be multiplied with the same number. 3 2s are 6. 14 1s are 14. So 5 1s are 5. Now here 2 has become 14. That means 2 has been multiplied by 7. So 1 into 7. And the signs will remain as it is. Now the denominators are equal. So I will write here 14. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 plus 7, 8. Right? So we have got 6 minus 5, 1 plus 7, 8. So our answer is, now if you see they both are multiples of 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14 and this is your final answer. Let us go to the next sum. Now if you see in the next sum also children, before a number there are two signs. So your first step will be to convert it into one sign. So second sum, minus 12 by 5. So your next step will be minus into minus plus 4 by 10 plus 3 by 4. Then again plus into minus, minus half. So this had two signs, you made it into one. This had two signs before it, you made it into one. Good. Now what will be your next step? Yes, to check the denominators. They are not equal. So you will be finding the LCM of 5, 10, 4 and 2. And here I have found the LCM of 5, 10, 4 and 2. And our LCM is 20. So we have to convert each of these fractions with denominators as 20. So we will be converting them. So 5 4s are 20. That means minus 12 into 4. That is minus 48. Because minus into plus is minus. 12 4s are 48. 10 2s are 20. So 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So 3 5s are 15. And 2 10s are 20. So minus 1 into 10. It means you should multiply with the signs. So minus 1 into 10 is minus 10. Now we have got all the denominators as 20. So we will write, and now we will do addition or subtraction based on their signs. Minus 48 plus 8. So minus 48 plus 8. 1 plus 1 minus means minus, sign of greater number which is minus. Minus 40 plus 15. Again 1 plus 1 minus, subtract, sign of greater number which is minus. Minus 25 minus 10. Now both are minus. Both are minus means you will add and put the sign of greater number. So your answer is minus 35 by 20. Now this is a common multiple for 5. So your answer is 5 7s are 35. 5 4s are 20 with this minus sign. So this is your final answer. let us go to the last sum. Now if you see children, in the last sum only one number is having two signs in before them. So we will be converting only that into one single sign. So that is 6 by 11 minus half plus 13 by 22 minus into minus. So it will be one sign, that is plus 1 by 3. Now if you see here children, the next step, that is making the denominators equal. Yes, we have to do, because the denominators here are different. So let us take the LCM. 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, 3 ones are 3, 2 twos are 4, 2 11s are 22, 2 ones are, and then 11 ones are 11. So what is our LCM? It is 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12, 12 11s are 172. Oh, I think some mistake. 1 minute, I'll do again. 11, 12, 22. Oh, so sorry, this is 2. 11, 2, 22 and 3. So it is 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22 and 3. Then 3 ones are 3. And then last is 11 ones are 11. So our LCM is 2 into 3 into 11. That is 66. So now our next step is to convert all these rational numbers into 66. So let us do so. 66. Yeah. So now 11 6a is 66. That means 6 6a is 36. Minus, now 2 into what will give you 66? 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, so 33. So 2 into 33, that means minus 1 into 33 is minus 33. If 2 into 33 is 66, then 22 into 3 is 66. So 13 3s is 39, and 3 into 22 is 66. And so 1 into 22 is 22. Now we will be doing only the addition and subtraction of these numbers. 36 minus 3, 33. So 36 minus 33 is 3. Then plus 39. So we will be adding plus 39, that is 42. Plus 22. Plus 22 will give you 64. So your answer is 64 by 66. And now they both are multiples of 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 32 by 33. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. So this is your final answer. So hope you understood children what are the steps involved. First, you see that every number has only one sign before them. Convert them into LCM, make the denominators equal, and then go for addition or subtraction. In our next class, we will be doing word problems on rational numbers. See you until then. Bye.